I'm studying information management for business in UCL. This course is like based on programming, software engineering, and also like it has a side of business, but it's different from the other business courses. Because like firstly, it's high rank school in the world, and secondly, I don't want to study only business, and this course is like distinctive from other courses because like it has both business and IT, which is like based on programming and software engineering. That's why I chose UCL. Actually, like 2 years before I decided to want to go to UCL, so I chose IB diploma, and it was hard. Also, it was like challenging, and but like I work very hard to get in UCL. However, now I'm so happy to be in there, and also the process was like, even the process was challenging, I think it's worth it. I came here like in the pandemic. However, like it's secure here, so like if you want to go to testing, you can go to testing in your school, and also the precautions are like increased, and that's why I came in here. Live your future.